How to verify Facebook account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, scroll all the way down. Click on this drop down of Help and Support. Now open this option Help Center. Now over here you will find this box. Type in request a blue verification badge and search for it. Now click on this option request a verified badge on Facebook. You can request for two kinds of verification. One is verified badges and another is Meta verified. Verified badges confirm that a notable account is the authentic presence for that person or brand. Likewise, Meta verified is a paid subscription that confirms the account is validated and authentic. The subscription comes with a bundle of features and benefits available for both eligible profiles and eligible businesses. Scroll down. If you just want to verify your Facebook account, all you need to do is click on this option of fill out this form. Click on it. Now you have to fill this to verify your page or profile. So firstly, you want to select if you want to verify your Facebook page or Facebook profile. Select the option of Facebook profile. Now over here you can paste your profile link. Likewise, step 1, confirm authenticity. Provide your document type and then upload it. Likewise, step 2, confirm notability. Select the category and then type in your country or region name. Likewise, in the audience section, describe the people who follow your page or profile. Now over here you'll find this link section. Add up to 5 articles, social media accounts and other links that show your page or profile is in the public interest. Once you fill all this, you can click on the option of send. With that, you have just requested for the verification of your Facebook account. Likewise, if you want a request for Meta verification, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you land to the settings and privacy page, head towards the account center. Now scrolling down, you'll find the option of Meta verified. Just click on it and go through the process for the Meta verification. When you apply for Meta verification, you will need to pay certain amount. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily verify your Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.